The end products of glycolysis include ATP and option A CO2 and H2O, option B H2O and pyruvate, option C NADH and pyruvate, or option D CO2 and NADH. So the correct answer would be option C. Glycolysis ends with the production of two molecules of pyruvate and two molecules of NADH. These products play crucial role in energy metabolism. Pyruvate, it is a key intermediate in cellular respiration or fermentation, while NADH is essential for transferring the high energy electron in the electron transport chain or participating in reduction reactions in anaerobic conditions.